Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Tesla Model 3 faster. The most effective and officially supported way to boost your Model 3 acceleration is through a software upgrade directly from Tesla. This enhancement is designed for specific dual-motor versions of the Model 3, offering a noticeable improvement in performance. It's a straightforward process that unlocks more power from your existing vehicle, transforming your driving experience with quicker launches and more responsive acceleration. This performance upgrade is known as the Acceleration Boost, and it's a software purchase you can make directly through your Tesla app or vehicle's touchscreen. Once purchased, the upgrade is delivered to your Model 3 over the air, much like other software updates. It's specifically engineered to optimize the power delivery of your dual-motor setup, providing a substantial improvement in your car's initial acceleration without any physical modifications. After applying the acceleration boost, you can expect a significant improvement in your Model 3 0 to 60 miles per hour time. For instance, a long-range all-wheel drive Model 3 typically sees its acceleration time drop from about 4.2 seconds to around 3.7 seconds. This isn't just a number. You'll feel a noticeable increase in the car's punchiness and overall responsiveness, making everyday driving and highway merging much more exhilarating. It's important to note that the acceleration boost is primarily available for dual-motor, non-performance versions of the Model 3. This means it's a software-only enhancement, so no physical modifications are needed for your vehicle. Always confirm the availability and current pricing for your specific Model 3 through your Tesla mobile app or your in-car display. This ensures you have the most accurate information before making your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.